Hello guys, before we start this video, this contained a little bad words. So we actually just went by saying one. Alright, let's continue. Welcome back to Roblox. And today we are playing Project BGX-2. So we are doing the top and the Freezedown. Or you can say freeze strike. Alright, let's start. Being a shit and I look at its fiction, but it's the Dark Wolf similarly, and VV actually made the new startup, so that's why. So you're actually doing this most of the freaking coins, so yeah. Oh well, somebody join. Fuck. Join. Well, somebody join. Alright then. Alright, so we are our type we are doing the can we do the freeze down? Can we do the freeze down? That's what I say. Well, I ate. Well, I ate. Yes. Yes, I say yes. What he is saying? Oh my god, I'm very stupid. Okay. Like this, okay. What the hell? Alright. Some bad words. So, he activated the startup already, so we're gonna do the freeze down. I mean, freeze strike. It's fake. And I say it's fake. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. Come on, guys. Alright, let's do the freeze strike. When I say cool, you'll be frozen. Go to the escape pod. That explosion will be so big. You know. Well, I was thinking about making a course called Project Hydro. What did I saw? Alright, we don't activate the boost lasers because we are doing the freeze down. It says cold fuck. Always working. You know. I don't care. Well, you know, I am running slow if we press shift too fast. I mean to run. Alright. Come on. This is too slow. Wait, what happens? I cool the core down. Ta-da! Cool the core. Cool the core. Oh my god. Oh, I already have a flashlight. Coolant. Let's say this. Why am I doing this? Because I keep cooling, and refill the cooling. Oh, okay. Alright, so we actually, oh my god, it's taking so slow. You know what? I'm just gonna cool down. Let me see the call. Oh shit!
Emergency power activated.
Oh, we gotta find. We gotta find. Oh my god. Alright, we gotta find 6 cameras. Press. Oh. Press. 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 Yes. Alright, you're gonna die. We're gonna die. It's freezing glass is it's up there. Oh, you're getting sick. Oh, here we go. Go. Press. No, right up there. Oh yeah, we suck. Alright, goodbye. Where's the explosion? Where? Oh, there it is. Alright, goodbye, you all. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Alright. Oh my god, we're floating. It's not a custom ending. You asked me what? What? Alright. So this one. So hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. Bye.